Hi everybody! In this video we are taking a trip to San Francisco to check out a bit of the city and of course the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is actually a national recreation area that encompasses 81,000 acres and 140 miles of trails for hiking and biking. There are ample areas on both sides of the bridge to get great views, and we are going to show you some of the highlights of this trip. Stay tuned. We are Kyle and Nicole, avid travelers from Michigan. In 2021, Kyle quit his job and we have been traveling across North America in our travel trailer while I continue to work full-time from the road. We love to create content showing amazing destinations, things to do, free camping spots, and RV life. We hope you will like, subscribe, and comment on our videos and join us for these fantastic adventures. You never know where we will pop up next. Our first view of the Golden Gate Bridge, it was so exciting! We were coming out of the tunnel and boom! It is a beautiful day here in San Francisco. Currently 58 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky.
Not much haze.
We're currently in a one-way tunnel. This tunnel has a light system and you can wait for 5 minutes for it to turn green. We are at Marin Headlands, and this little scenic drive here offers awesome views of the bridge and surrounding area. This overlook is really popular. And there's a little hike out to a point. Oh, let's go do that. Pretty cool area here. The view is awesome. There's a lot of people, everybody taking selfies and pictures and setting up things, and it's a beautiful day. There are a lot of people here, but it's also very easy to create your own space and get your own shots of the bridge and you in it with nobody else. This is Rodeo Beach, and it is a super popular place to come swim and surf. We saw so many people surfing here, and it's so fun to watch them. We parked at the Bay Discovery Museum and are walking out to get a nice view of the bridge here. Nice view of the boats. Little adventure, we're going over the bridge. To drive over the bridge is a little pricey. Once in a lifetime, unless you live here, and then it might be daily. There's a cool place to eat right here called the Roundhouse, where you have a beautiful view of the bridge and the bay. We just got back from walking on the bridge. We thought it would be super cool to walk on the Golden Gate Bridge, and it was maybe super not cool. That was like arguably one of the most scariest, dangerous things I have ever done in my life. You have like cars that, I mean, it's a highway and it's going into a major city, and so it's very loud. And so there is a barrier between the cars and where the pedestrians are. That's not the scary part, but it's so loud, and on the walkway they allow bicycles and pedestrians, and that walkway is like super narrow, and a lot of times if you are walking too wide, you're taking up the whole pedestrian. Well, people like to take their whole families and take baby strollers, and also you have these bikes that are just zooming past you, and they may or may not have a little like bell to warn you, like, hey, I'm coming up and don't step over because I'm gonna run you over, but you can't even hear it when they do it. On more than one occasion, I almost got ran over by a bicyclist. It was super scary. And then people just walking on the bridge are just stupid in general. Like, they don't pay attention to what they're doing. We saw some signs for a 49-mile scenic drive. No clue what the scenery is. We're gonna take it. At least some of it. This right here is Ocean Beach. It's a 3.5-mile white sand beach. This is one of the famous hills in San Francisco. Holy moly. Wow, our heads are back like a roller coaster. Holy crap. Oh, Lordy. Wowzers. Certain types of vehicles are prohibited from using this type of road. Look, we have a famous streetcar in front of us. We have so many famous things in this frame. We have the streetcar, we have Alcatraz. This is such a cool boat. I feel like I am on Peter Pan's ship. The view of San Francisco City is awesome. There's a seal that's been playing around down here. We've got the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz. This is pretty cool. And it's in the national park here, San Francisco Maritime Park. This boat is named the LiQWYD. It was built in Scotland and launched in 1886. She was employed in the transporting of grain harvests from California interior valleys to the parts of Europe. Visiting Ghirardelli is another popular thing to do in San Francisco. They do have chocolate tours, but we were not able to experience that, unfortunately, so we just checked out the store instead. Carl and I are currently hiking up Hyde Street, San Francisco. Getting our calf workout. It's quite a hike. It's pretty cool though. They seem to keep getting progressively steeper. I mean, look at these cars. Their emergency brakes definitely work. I am holding the phone flat right now.
You're killing me, man.
That's so cool though. We made it to where at least we're gonna stop. We went up about 150 feet. It's crazy in just like a few blocks. That's insane for a city.